Good morning, student. Myself Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you Chapter 9, Application of Second Law of Motion. In previous classes, also teach you what is momentum. You know, momentum is formula is P is equal to m into v. Momentum is denoted by P and m into v. That momentum mass depends on the mass and velocity. That is the mass and that is the velocity. That velocity in motion also discuss the initial velocity and final velocity. That velocity is written the Vf, V final and V initial and V final. That is V initial and V final. That is the initial velocity and final velocity. And also another term to depend written, that is the U is the initial velocity and V is the final velocity. Some book are written the U is initial velocity and some book are taken the V is final velocity. So P momentum, that is the momentum, it is depend on mass and velocity. When P is equal, P is, that is taken to P is m into V, means that is U initial velocity and final velocity, that is V minus U, that is taken V minus U, that is U. So P momentum is change in momentum, that is it is the product of mass and velocity, change in velocity. And now P is directly proportional to product of mass and velocity. So what is the generate of, that is the second law of motion, that is the rate of change of momentum with respect to time, that is change of momentum with respect to time, that is force. So dp by dt, that is change in momentum with respect to time, that is dp by dt is proportional to, that is m dv minus u by dt. So that relation is generate, that is dp by dt and proportional to, that is m dv minus u by dt, that is rate of change of momentum with respect to time, that is dp by dt and m and change in v minus u, that is del v minus u, that is del v, that is the change in velocity, that is say to the change in velocity, that is change in velocity. So that is v del v by del t, that is dv by dt, that is say to del v and dv. So that is dp by dt, that is proportional to ma, that is ma, mass into acceleration. Change in velocity with respect to time, that is generate to acceleration, that is proportionality. So dp by dt is equal to kma, where k is taken constant, proportionality constant, that is proportionality constant. So that is dp by dt, that is f is equal to kma, means second, that is the rate of change of momentum with respect to time, that is second law of motion. That is the formula taken that is retain the formula of that is F is equal to K into ma, where acceleration, A is the acceleration, m is the mass, K is the proportionality constant of this formula. So that formula are the force is generated, that change in momentum with respect to time, that is the say to the force, that is say to the force. It is denoted by F, and force SI unit is Newton. Force SI unit is Newton, and that Newton, because that law is given the Newton's law, and that is the mass in kg and acceleration is meter per second square. That unit is the Newton, or say to the kg meter per second square written in that term here, or written in kg meter, that is say to Newton. That unit SI unit, that is SI unit of force, that is kg meter per second square. That is the second law of motion, and definition are generated of second law of motion. What is the definition? Every action, that is the rate of change of momentum with respect to time, means that force, that is the action, every action means that force is generated on change his velocity with respect to time. Every action means that force, every force due to the change of velocity with respect to time, that is say to the force, that is change in the momentum. And now its application is usage if a ball is thrown a person, that is catch it. So that is the apply a force, on that person, that is the randomly comes to that force or the zero. That force when comes to zero, neither usage of, that is the third law of motion in that action. So that action or comes to the that force, and that is the if the hand is loose, then ball are catches. That is the application where the momentum is generated on that places. The ball is a strike on his hand, and also uses the another law. But this topic, that is the application of second law are used. So that is the mass of ball and velocity of that ball comes to in his hand, and that velocity are the zero. So force are, that is are in taken and go through the rest, then ball is catches of that. If a ball, football or a strike a person, that is move one places to another places, that is velocity, initial velocity to 2, that is the final velocity with respect to time, that is changes of that velocity of that mass is both places are same, that is the change in momentum. So with respect to time, that is generate of formula of F is equal to K into m. That is application, many places are here, that momentum application in the sit down, the one ball Ashan randomly hit the pushes, that is the increases of force, then stop the ball and moving faster, then apply a force on a moving object, then increases his velocity, that is the application of second law of motion. Okay, thank you.